Alright, so the rear master cylinder is rebuilt. It actually had fluid in it, but it was full of rust. Just gunk. Got new lines on order for the front and the rear. Although the lines in the rear weren't as bad. Got the caliper off. It's draining. Nothing too major there. Took the seat off because, and the pipes, and the rear brakes, which used to be here, and a bunch of other stuff because I have started the removal of the oil pump. That's a fair bit more complicated than I had expected, because you have to pretty much assemble it in place. Came off all right, but I've got to get this cover off, I believe, to get in there and disconnect that from whatever is holding it in. Then I got to clean everything up. There's a hole that has to be drilled into the case. I bought a special guide for that. And then I'm going to start reassembling the other oil pump, the new one, which ought to be entertaining. But otherwise, it's going pretty good. Got the master cylinder mounted. I just had that hose hooked into it so that it works, so that it just doesn't get any bugs in it until my hoses come in. And then I got to start taking off the front brakes because they seem to be about as terrible as the rears were, or as the master cylinder was. So, but she's looking pretty good.